And so let's just take this idea, this feeling of forgiveness, into a time of meditation, into a time of deeper contemplation on what it means to forgive ourselves and to allow that presence to flow through us. And so right here, right now, right where we are, we take this opportunity to take a breath in, to fully become aware of and connect to that presence of spirit. Knowing in this moment that outer thoughts, outer distractions might creep their way in. We just acknowledge them when they do, and as they do, we turn our attention back to the presence within. To that still, small spark. To the light and the love that is the truth of our being. In this moment, we see ourselves as whole and perfect, shining as the radiant light of spirit that we truly are. Opening our heart to the truth of that being. In this moment, we allow ourselves to forgive ourselves for any moment where we showed up as less than the wholeness that we truly are. We greet ourselves with love and compassion. Surrounding ourselves with understanding. And choosing to know in this moment that we are the light, the love, and the wholeness. And so, we make a choice to express that wholeness of spirit. And we allow that choice to reverberate through us, to flow through us, to guide us as we move into the silence. And ever so gently, we begin to return to this time, to this place, carrying with us the knowledge that this wholeness of spirit is what we are. And we allow the truth of that wholeness to fill us with gratitude. And we allow that gratitude to carry us into the rest of our experience this day. And so it is with that gratitude in our heart that we say, "Thank you, Spirit." And so it is. Amen.